This is why you don't ride downhill on a freaking BMX bike.
It hurt. Yeah, so we are really dumb fucks because we're riding in the snow right now.
Yeah, I'm on a BMX bike right now, and we're gonna ride down that hill. You see that, guys? See, Sean's little old Hero 4 couldn't capture how big this hill is. I'm on a BMX bike. It has no grip.
You're gonna die.
I know I'm gonna die, but it's for a video. I wish I had a helmet mount right now, but helmets are uncomfortable.
I have a chest mount or a bar mount.
I don't care.
Okay.
So, you want to go now?
Yeah, sure.
Wait.
Okay. Time to rip up the mountain.
Don't die! Don't hold your brakes, you little baby! Can you guys even see him? Holy crap. You made it! That's pretty crazy how he made it. Yeah. He's muy intelligente. Sean! Sean, you're going right in front of the snowplow! That's the snowplow. Yeah, that's very smart of Sean to get in front of the snowplow. Highly intelligente. I'm gonna cut to when Sean gets up here.
Okay, so
okay, Sean just got back up, and how does it feel?
it's kind of slippery, a little bit scary.
Oh, kind of slippery. What the heck? The guy's in the middle of the road.
Tourists can't get up the road, or whatever that thing is. Anyways, change of plans. Michael's not gonna ride the BMX bike, so it's too slippery.
Yeah, it's really dangerous. Like, look at this thing. I gotta show you. It's a Diamondback
BMX bike.
Yeah.
That you buy at Walmart.
Yeah, you can buy Diamondback bikes at Walmart.
Or actually, no, Dick's, not Walmart.
Dick's Sporting Goods. Now, I'm gonna hop on this thing. Let's get to where I'm gonna ride. Woo! Come on, get up the hill! Woo! Oh, shit. That's why you don't drive in the snow in a crappy little city e-car. This just in. It's snowing sideways here in New York. But I'm gonna ride my bike down this hill.
They're correcting my bike, actually.
Hey, this bike. Okay?
Okay.
Well, these SRAM brakes, like, they're really good on this, so hopefully I don't die.
Okay.
See you at the bottom.
Go. This is why you do not ride downhill in the snow on a fucking BMX bike. My leg is probably broken, not really.
Watch your language, fat boy.
Okay. Yeah. Screw this bike.
So, how much fun was it riding on downhill on a BMX bike? You didn't even get halfway.
No, it wasn't fun. Hey, there's another car that's gonna try and kill itself.
Oh, yeah, let's see this.
Oh, it just did a drift. Oh.
Oh. Let's get this on camera. Where is it? This just in. Sean's an idiot, and he fell again. Oh. I got a shot with it in my hand.
This is why you don't ride with on a BMX bike again. That's like a pair last.
You're stupid. Look at his legs.
My legs don't work. Ow! Ow! Your legs, that
Look my bike stem. Well, I think this might be it for this video. If you like it, subscribe. If you subscribe, like it. See you in the next video. And I love these North Shore lizard skin grips. They're so tasty.